Dumbbells allow us to work with all sorts of different angles and twists, and we're able to incorporate different accessory muscles. We just went over a front raise using a barbell. So now we're going to switch it up a bit by using dumbbells. In this next exercise, we're still doing a front raise for the anterior head of the delts, but as we're coming up, we're going to bring the arm across the body. So we're going to go from a neutral hand position. This would be supinated, this would be pronated, this is neutral. So we're going from a neutral hand position, and as we flex the shoulder or raise the arm, we're bringing it across the body. Kind of like an uppercut across the body, that kind of idea. So we're bringing it here, down, and then the other one here across the body and down. Now here are the things you want to be careful with. This is not an exercise where we're trying to work rotation of the trunk. So the idea, unlike an uppercut, is that we're not trying to bring in the core to help the movement. We're trying to work the core by stabilizing us so we can isolate that front delt a little more, or that shoulder, and bring more flexibility and more mobility to that joint. So again, this is not what we're doing. We're not twisting. We are staying tight and bringing it across the body. Again, across the body from a neutral to a supinated position. So let's look at this. Okay, good. You see how that's coming across the body and we're ending up as supinated as possible. Now, as you get stronger and stronger, you'll notice that this, you might start here, but as you get stronger and stronger, you'll be able to supinate a lot more, and that'll put a lot more stress on that front delt. I mean, I have my fingers on his anterior head of the delt, and as I turn it this way, I feel tension releasing, and as I turn it this way, or supinated, I feel that muscle contracting even more. So keep that in mind as well. Okay, let's do a few more. Good. Squared away. That's it. Good, good. And neutral at the end. Very good. Okay, so you see it's very hard at first to totally supinate at the end. You need, this also works on that, on the shoulder mobility and being able to twist the shoulder or rotate it, if you will. But also, obviously, we're working on the flexibility in, as far as flexion goes, being able to raise that arm above the head. Very functional, especially as some of your clients or yourself are getting older. This is going to be something that's going to help tremendously. We're working the core as well, learning to stabilize so that we don't suffer an injury in the lower back trying to reach for something or just performing a simple movement.